The Itel A200 is a phone I never thought I'd need until now. For over just 1,000 Ghana cedis, you're gonna get something that won't die on you when you need it the most. And if you're that kind of person, stay with me because you're gonna want to watch this video till the end. At that price, this phone isn't trying to fight flagships, and that is the whole point. This is for a person who just wants a phone that works. Big battery, tough body, handles daily stuffs, and doesn't empty your pockets. I've got to say, on paper this sounds good, but let's see what is actually inside this box. The first thing in this box is the phone itself. Opening this small compartment reveals the remaining of the goodies in this box: a charging cable and the adapter itself, a case made out of flexible rubber. This is a full package considering we don't get the adapters in box anymore because someone decided that it's gonna do the world better to sell the adapters differently than to place it inside the box. Make it make sense. First things first, this phone actually feels very solid in hand. I've got the dark blue colorway, which is called the nightly blue, I guess. And here is what surprised me the most. It's a big phone. At 6.75 inches, it's almost around the size of your flagships, but it really doesn't feel heavy in my hands. It's almost as if I am holding nothing. It feels very, very light. Also, we've got to talk about the toughness of this thing. It's an IP65 rated device, which basically means it can handle dust and splashes of water at any time. And how do we actually prove this thing is tough without doing a drop test? It looks like it passed the test. So that proves that if this device is being dropped from a few feet, you're still going to be perfectly fine. Whilst this phone may look fine on the outside, the big question is, does the screen stay the same? The display itself is an LCD, around 6.75 inches, 120Hz panel, which could get up to 700 nits of peak brightness. I binge watch Netflix shows on this device, and from my experience indoors, this device will do more than just suffice. But I will have to be honest with you, outdoors is a little bit weaker than I would like. For performance, I did something that you wouldn't expect. I know running a benchmark test on this kind of budget phones is a little bit out of reach, but I still did it anyways. And this phone did better than I expected. It's running a Unisoc T606 octa-core chip. But let's be real, this phone was never built for hardcore gaming. And so if you want to be running Call of Duty for hours, you're probably gonna struggle a bit with this phone. On the camera side of things, you've got a 13 megapixel main camera on the back and a 5 megapixel selfie camera up front. Itel also allows you to shoot in dual camera mode where you can use both cameras at the same time. But so far I've been talking a lot about the camera without showing you how it looks like. So here are some shots I took with the camera. I know we are going to agree about underrating how cool that picture will turn out to be because it's from a budget phone. But you know one thing that is as cool as the picture from an Itel A200? Subscribing to the YouTube channel because it helps me go a long way and make this kind of videos for you guys. The battery on this phone is amazing. It packs 5,000 milliamp hour of battery, and I know we've been hearing 5,000 milliamp hour a lot, but this is different. I went on to use it for a full day, and after my full day I still got 48% battery on this Itel. A few extra things worth knowing about the Itel A200 is that it comes with 3GB of physical RAM, but it can also borrow from the storage to push it up to 8GB total RAM. There is an AI assistant on this Itel is calling Solar. It is running on the DeepSeek R1 model, and we all know DeepSeek is good at what they do. So if you love AI and you love chatting with AI on your phone, Itel has got you covered. This phone also comes with something called the Ultra Link. Itel are basically saying that you could make free calls up to 1.2 kilometers without actually even being on a network. And yes, we still have the 3.5mm jack on the phones. Much appreciated. With that being said, if you are someone that has been frustrated about how fragile phones have become, if you love long battery life and you don't want your phone to die on you midday, or you love AI tools on your devices all without breaking your bank, then this phone is definitely for you. So yeah, that's everything I need to tell you about the Itel A200. If you still want more options to be able to make your decisions, then this video right on your screen does exactly that.